Hello, good morning students. Today we can start a new lesson, triangles and its properties. So dear students, the topics to be covered in this lesson is introductions, medians of the triangle, attitudes of a triangle, and then some property of a triangle, exterior, the property of exterior of a triangle, and types of triangles are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. The property of a length of a side of triangle is right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. So triangles, what are they and where do we see them? Think of a hut which you often used to draw when you are a kid. So anyway, you are very eager to draw it some portion of the heart. This is nothing but a triangle. What is how does it look? It look like a closed shape which has three sides. So this is one side and this is one side and this is another side. So have a shape, a closed shape bounded by three sides, that is a triangle. You look at the pyramids of the picture of pyramids, which would you have definitely seen in your books or on television. Now when you look at this pyramid, you get the shape of a triangle. You see this, how a triangle look like. Even for the smaller ones, you get to see the shape of a triangle. Think of a situation where you want to climb up the ladder to you climb up ladder to reach out something on upper shelf. Now you have to place your ladder. So you see a triangle anywhere, you might be thinking that no, really do not see a triangle, but there actually is a triangle in this situation. As then think of it somewhat. This is when you are look at it, you look this entire thing where you have wall, you have a ladder. See in this picture, in a ladder, in between wall and ladder have the shape form is triangle. Is it right? It's look like a triangle. Even the arrow in the game which you play, right, just to check whether you shot the arrow the point or not. So you closely look at this arrow. These are also a encounter a triangle. Since small things around us, we see the triangles. We use the triangles. So triangles are a very are one of the common shapes that we are across in our day-to-day life, isn't it? So what is exactly a triangle? The name itself say triangle, triangles. Three, tri means three. So basically it's a something which it is geometrical shape with the three angles. So it's basically a polygon with the three sides. So three sides, therefore three angles. What does a polygon? A polygon is a figure which is closed, which is formed only by a line segment. So here you can say this is a closed polygon, that is you have a line segments forming a closed structure. And how many sides you have? Three sides. Now when you look at this triangle on the picture, this is normally represented in this fashion, triangle ABC. So we do not write the word triangle, instead we just put the symbol of small triangle and then we write ABC. Now the basic element of triangles are sides, angles and vertices. So When we say the sides, so what are the sides of this triangle? So AB, BC and CA. These are the three sides of a triangle of ABC. And next, the vertices are ABC. Whether the vertices are these points or silent meant, for example, point A is a vertex, so BA, see they both meet similarly at B. A B and CB they meet similarly at BC. There are 4 points, 4 vertices A, B and C. And which are the angles formed in this triangle? So that is angle A, angle B and angle C. For example, this angle which can also be named as triangle angle BAC, angle BAC. Similarly, this angle shows the orientation between B and C. So this can be written as angle ABC. Similarly, this angle which can be written as angle ACB. So it's between AC and DC. So all in these are 6 elements which define a triangle, which are the sides, vertices and angles. So all 9 elements which know the kind of determined load which specifies a triangle, these sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Now a couple of other things are for this angle BAC. Let's say this is BAC. So for this particular angle which is opposite to located, see this opposite angle A. So angle A is opposite to a line segment of BC. So angle BAC is opposite side to BC. Angle BAC is opposite to BC, and angle ACB is opposite to ACB is opposite to angle is the side AB or BA. AB or BA, and the angle AC okay is opposite to a side AC is opposite to angle ABC. Is it right? So these are the sides and opposite sides. So clearly students, what are the some familiar things you have to understand in this lesson? Triangle is nothing but it is a polygon with 3 sides. It will be represented at to given vertices. So what are the basic thing you have to learn in the triangle is sides, vertices and angles. So for example, you write the triangle ABC, which are the side AB, BC, AC are the sides, and which are the vertices are from ABC. So which are the angles are from angle BAC, angle ABC, angle ACB, and angle BAC is opposite to a line segment BC, and angle ACB is opposite to a line segment AB, and a line segment AC is opposite to angle ABC. These are the some of the basics of triangle. This is your introduction about triangle. I hope you students you have understand this topic. So in next class we can discuss some other topics. Thank you.